Yo, good day everyone. It's still your boy Sensible. Welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm coming to teach you how you can stake a coin in Tron Link Pro. How you can stake TRX Tron in Tron Link Pro, their wallet. So now, first of all, you have to make a deposit. This is the total amount I'm having in the account. So I'm going to stake it for you to see how it goes. Yes, so now what do you have to do? First of all, you have to go to stake. Yeah, you click on stake. Now you can use 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% to stake it. So all you have to do is to click on the percentage that you want to stake. So I'm staking everything, so I'll just click on 100%. So when I click on 100%, this is the amount that came. So now what do I have to do? I just have to click on what next step right here. As you can see, added down there. So I'll just click on it, next step. So I'll just click on what I have confirmed, added down here. Tick that box, the small box over here. This one, tick it. When you tick it, then you click on confirm. Then this is what it will bring. When you bring it to this side, then you just click on confirm again. Then they will ask you for your password. Put in your password. After you put in your password, then you click on confirm. As you can see, it's successful. So I'll just click on done. Down here now. I'll just click on done. Down here. Yeah. So as you can see, it's running. So this is the percentage. As you can see, that's the percentage APR, average per year. So it's cool, 4.76%. So that's how you stake on Tron Link Pro. So you subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.